Here's a question for everybody. What do you want? Do you want to be ready? Do you want to be prepared? Do you want to be debt free? Do you want to be ready in case of the civil war sparks tomorrow? Do you want to be ready if we get invaded? Or do you want to just live your life without worries, without care, without having to even consider the possibility of, let's say, that we're ever going to be in turmoil? Is that what you want? Or if your wants are a little different? I'm asking this legitimately because I just don't know anymore. I don't know what people want anymore. I know what I want. I know what I got my family, or the way that I got my family, but I don't know what people want anymore. What is it people want? What is it you want? Do you want reality or you want entertainment? This channel is not for entertainment purposes. I'm going to come out very upfront with everybody. I am not here to entertain anybody. I don't care at all about entertainment. I come here to share my experience. The 16 years of crap that I have to endure during an shtf that I live in Cuba for 16 years. How many people can say that? You know, I sometimes wonder whether I should share or should I just report news and that's it. It's just going to make my life easier. It would definitely make my life easier. I don't have to talk about the things. I don't have to share experience or anything like that. And, you know, just sit back and see the world burn like it's going to. I don't honestly know what people want nowadays. I don't know. People are so indecisive nowadays. They want to feel good in the moment. They don't want to put in the hard work that it takes to get to the finish line. They just don't. They think that watching a movie or watching a YouTube video makes them prepare. They think by hearing the stories is more than enough. It is not. The 8 to 10 minutes that I share with y'all, it is nothing in comparison to what I went through. Nothing. I am sorry if I come here and I'm a bit harsh. I am sorry if I don't cater to entertainment, but I don't care about entertainment. This channel is for those who want to prepare and they want to be serious about it. If you want to joke about it, go elsewhere. If you want to entertain yourself based on preparedness, go elsewhere. I really don't care. And I'm being brutally honest with everybody. I don't care. If you want to come here, if you want to hear reality, truth, you're more than welcome to stay here. If not, well, you're lost. You're lost. And it's a shame that I have to say this type of things because I always expect everybody to be an adult, to be able to understand, to be able to analyze, to be able to see that our future is getting darker and darker. I guess my expectations were too high. I guess nowadays 15 seconds is more than enough to keep. I truly wonder how many people are going to survive at the very end. I truly wonder. Everybody's a Rambo. Everybody's a survivalist nowadays. Everybody. And yet, the majority of them have never gutted an animal, have never got cold, hungry, wet, have never had to walk miles, but the gear makes them the perfect prepper. Yeah, let's go with that. I honestly have very I honestly have very little hope for the future the way it is. I guess we are gonna have to come to a aha moment and decide what is that you truly want. Because if all you want is entertainment, all you want is just sit in front of a computer, all you want is just your data being collected and being fed back to you via commercials and whatnot, and you don't care about your privacy, and you pay taxes until the day you die, you never own anything, you don't even know how to make a meal, you don't know how to do anything, you're useless, but that's the way it makes you happy, then I don't think I am okay with that, and I don't think this is the place for you. I truly don't. So if that is the future that we're going to, I want to be no part of it. I just don't. I try to share as much as possible so you guys can understand. I try my very best to share real life experience. Not books, not movies, not theory, real life. But I guess that is not entertainment enough. So with that being said, I hope you all have a great weekend. Rock on, prep on, and I will see you when I see you. If you'd like to support the channel, check out the links in the pinned comment below. Consider joining our Frontier Prepper Squad or let an ad or two run. It really does make a difference. And always remember, those who prepare today will not struggle tomorrow.